Hey everyone! Welcome back to Montage Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the Apple Watch Ultra 2, the latest powerhouse in Apple's smartwatch lineup. Released on September 22nd, 2023, this watch is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. Let's explore everything this remarkable device has to offer. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 was announced on September 12th, 2023, and it's already making waves in the tech community. Weighing in at just 61.4 grams, or 61.8 grams for the black variant. This watch has a thickness of 14.4 millimeters, making it both lightweight and robust. Let's talk about the build quality. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 features a stunning sapphire crystal front, a ceramic sapphire crystal back, and a titanium frame. It's not just about looks. This watch is IP6X certified and can withstand up to 100 meters of water resistance, making it perfect for swimming and diving up to 40 meters. It also meets MELS-TD 81H standards for durability, ensuring it can handle whatever you throw at it. Now let's check out the display. The Ultra 2 boasts an always-on Retina LTPO OLED screen measuring 1.92 inches with a resolution of 500 2x410 pixels, giving you about 338 pixels per inch. With peak brightness reaching an impressive 3000 nits, you'll have no trouble seeing it in bright sunlight. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 runs on Watch OS 10, which is upgradable to Watch OS 11. Powered by the Apple S9 chipset, it features a dual-core CPU and PowerVR GPU, ensuring smooth performance whether you're tracking workouts or navigating apps. When it comes to storage, you get a solid 64 gigabytes of internal memory, but there's no card slot for expansion, so make sure you manage your apps wisely. In terms of connectivity, the Ultra 2 supports GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks. You can connect via Wi-Fi with dual band support, or use Bluetooth version 5.3 for seamless pairing with your devices. This smartwatch is packed with sensors. It includes an accelerometer, gyro, heart rate monitor, barometer, always-on altimeter, which works between -500 meters to +9,000 meters, compass, SpO2 sensor for blood oxygen levels, VO2 max monitoring, and even body temperature sensing with 0.01 degree accuracy. It also features a depth gauge with ±1 meter accuracy and supports ultra-wideband UWB technology with its Gen 2 chip. Now let's discuss battery life. The Ultra 2 packs a 564 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is non-removable. You can charge it wirelessly from 0% to 80% in just about an hour, making it convenient for daily use. Expect up to 36 hours of use, or even 72 hours in low power mode, which is fantastic for those long adventures. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes in two stunning colors, titanium and black. As for pricing, it starts at $799 in the US, or 877 euros in Europe, making it a premium investment for serious users. One standout feature is the customizable action button, which allows quick access to functions like starting workouts or activating backtrack, a navigation feature that creates a breadcrumb trail using GPS data. Plus, there's a built-in siren that can be activated in emergencies, so there you have it. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is not just a smartwatch. It's a versatile tool designed for those who love adventure and want to track their health seamlessly. With its robust build quality, advanced sensors, long battery life, and stunning display, it's hard not to be impressed. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching.